Hey guys, today we're going to be teaching you how to weld plastic onto your kayak to seal up leaks and prevent future leaks. This is Glenn with Paddle Marco. All you're going to need today to get this job done is a heat gun. You can get this on Amazon. You can get this at Lowe's. Paint scraper, pliers, and polyethylene plastic. 99% of the kayaks out there are made out of polyethylene. The brand that we're welding up today is Perception, Wilderness Systems. They're all made out of the same material. So the back, bottom of the kayak, this has seen a lot of use and they get pretty worn down. So you can tell when it's time to weld on some plastic is when you can feel this flex and you know it's getting pretty thin. This is what's going to stick right here. So use the pliers and hold the plastic so you don't burn your fingers. Turn on your heat gun and go ahead and start getting up close to the plastic. You're going to notice after a few seconds the plastic's going to turn real shiny, and then after about a minute or so, after heating up both sides, that plastic is really going to start to bend. It's getting really hot. The objective is just to get it hot enough to where it starts bending just like that, and not too much. So this plastic is about ready to stick on. So go ahead and do a little bit further back. It takes a long time for it to cool, so don't worry about losing the bend. You also want to heat up the kayak a bit. Don't go too crazy because remember it's real thin. Just get it shiny. This is where we're going to stick the plastic. So once you have the plastic laid on the back, bottom of the kayak, you can take your paint scraper here and just start pushing it in. It'll start to melt in with the kayak because you heated that up and this strip is heated up and they just kind of melt together, and it won't look real nice until we're done because you're going to have to continue to heat all of this up as well as heat up these sides as best as you can, and it should look pretty good when we're done. So after all the plastic is melted together, it should look like this. It doesn't look beautiful, but it doesn't really matter. It's gonna get scraped up again. So as long as you can protect the bottom from getting holes in it, you're good.